Hey there, are you looking to save money and take control of your finances? Well, you're in luck. Introducing the best budgeting hacks for beginners that won't break the bank. Point number 1. Track your expenses. Know exactly where your money is going every month. Point number 2. Set a realistic budget. Determine how much you can spend and stick to it. Point number 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Say goodbye to that daily coffee run or unused subscriptions. Point number 4. Avoid impulse purchases. Take a moment to think before you buy. Point number 5. Save automatically. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account each month. Now that you know these awesome budgeting hacks, it's time to take action.
Start implementing these simple strategies today and watch your savings grow.
Remember, financial freedom is just around the corner. What are you waiting for? Take control of your finances now.